no? This is the only way to yung damage control na alam niya. Yun ang pinaka-serbisyo
Mm-hmm.
na alam niya. Yun na yun. Just an appearance of it. So, ganun ang kababa ang tingin niya sa Pilipino na, or the people around him, no? Because he's just following orders, no? He's obviously a puppet, no? Of his wife, of his cousin, of the United States. He's a puppet of everybody. He's easily manipulated because of his substance abuse disorder, 'di ba? He snorts. We from what we hear, he snorts cocaine almost every day, no? If not every day, multiple times a day. Ganun naman ang drug addict, 'di ba? Ganun ang pag may substance abuse disorder. So,
Mm-hmm.
this is why we really need to speak out kasi um tayo talaga yung pag-asa ng Pilipinas, ang mga taong bayan na buong Pilipinas talaga kasi itong skandalong nangyayari sa Pilipinas ngayon, you have a president like that, no? Who's easily manipulated. And then the way he sees the only way to restore the public trust, no? Because his trust ratings are abysmal. No other president
Mm-hmm.
has ever had those kinds of trust ratings. Talagang bagsak, no? Is to make papogi, no? I mean, to just a surface. He doesn't have, kasi I worked with PRRD, Eric, this is where I'm coming from, where I saw the depth of knowledge of the former president, and he was an excellent executive. Ito, this is the exact opposite.